Nigerian singer Abibu Kikiola, popularly known as Portable, has granted bail in the sum of 1 million naira following his arrest over a defamation case filed by Fuji musician Okunla Saheed, widely known as Saheed Osupa. The bail was granted on Monday, April 14, 2025, after Portable appeared before a court in Kwara State. His lawyer, Isaac Adebayo, confirmed that the bail was granted following an oral application. The court on Monday also ruled that his bail is conditional upon the provision of 2 sureties in like sum, one of which must be either the chairman or secretary of the Performing Musician Association of Nigeria, while the other must possess a landed property within the Government Reserved Area (GRA), backed by a valid certificate of occupancy. The case stems from a petition filed by Osupa accusing the singer of criminal defamation, threats to life, incitement, character assassination, and conduct likely to cause a breach of peace. Speaking on the case, Adebayo said Saheed claimed that Portable defamed his character, intimidated him, and other allegations. He affirmed that Portable begged Osupa. The Commissioner of Police also begged Osupa, but he refused to hear their plea. Although the petitions are a bit stringent, we will meet up. He was asked to provide the Kwara State chairman of PMAN as a surety, another person with a landed property in GRA, and 1 million naira in like sum, Adebayo added. While this online feud between Osupa and Portable has taken a new turn, we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to Naija News TV.